This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious marshmallow cookies. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including flour, sugar, butter, and marshmallows. Next, line your baking sheets with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for perfect baking. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable baking process from start to finish. Now, let's create the cookie dough. Begin by creaming together 1 cup of softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to ensure a tender cookie texture. It's time to add the star ingredient and bake. Scoop your cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Gently press a small marshmallow onto the center of each dough ball. Bake these delightful treats in your preheated oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. Watch them carefully for perfect results. Once baked, allow your marshmallow cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These cookies are wonderful served warm, with the marshmallow still gooey, or enjoyed at room temperature. Share them with friends and family for a sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.